Hardy dude, straight up, this is just another teaser video. I went and dropped off some exhaust parts today and whatnot, my exhaust tips basically. The exhaust is going to get reworked. The tips are going to stick out the back again like it's supposed to. Still got a few things that need to be done to it, but they fired the truck up for me, and I think that's pretty badass. And if all goes well, maybe a week or two, I don't know, it'll be back, and I'll try to get it out to the very next test and tune. We'll see. Hot damn hell yeah.
Now, be advised, this is only revision number 2.
Yeah. Ooh.